Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Hotpoint WMBF742 washing machine, and it is available in either the polar white, which is this, or a graphite grey, but for the purpose of this video I'll be showing you the white one, but all the features and everything are exactly the same on the graphite one as well. And what I really want to do is just to show you around the machine some of the features and benefits that it gives us, and I've got it switched on, so let's have a look. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll show you the control panel, and I like the way these are laid out because you've got the programs listed on the left hand side here on the outside of the soap drawer, then you've got the on and off button here and the program selector in the middle, and then as you go over to the right you've got the display, and then you've got some of the other options underneath. So I'll just work through from left to right. So first of all the programs are listed here, and you will find that there is quite a mix of programs. On a lot of modern machines the program times have increased compared to machines of especially 7-8 years ago, and that's mainly down to energy efficiency. So what you will find is that the current machines are a lot more energy efficient than a machine of 7 or 8 years ago, but to do that some of the program times have to be slightly longer. So if I turn it on, and first of all notice it is a very nice clear display on here, and for each program this will actually show you the time remaining on the program, and what it will do is it will actually count down as the program progresses. And so if we were to select, say I've just got it selected here on the cotton program, so to start off with that's around 2 hours 10 minutes. What you can do for each of these programs is you can, so at the moment it's on 60°, you can change that. So if you press the temperature button, it goes down to 20, and you can even wash it in just cold water, and then up to 90, and it just goes down in 10° increments, which can be very good because not many machines do that. And then as you move across to the spin speed, just press the button and it goes down from 1400, 1200, 1000, and all the way down to a no spin option. And what you've also got in this machine is the time delay option, so you can delay it for up to 24 hours. So that's really good if you're going out, or if you want to use it for say economy 7 overnight, then you can delay the program, and it's just got a little symbol there with a clock. So just going back to some of the programs, so I know that wash is around 2 hours, and for some people that might be a little bit too long because people are in a hurry nowadays and they want a quick program. So what Hotpoint have done for us is they've given us program 7, and what that does is that's a much quicker wash, and that is a load that you can do in an hour. That's a really good program. We do find that's quite a popular one with our customers. Or if you are really in a hurry, then you've got a 15-minute wash, so that's program 8. And some of these fast wash programs are for lighter loads, so you will find that you couldn't do a full load in 15 minutes, but if you've got some items that just need freshening up, then that can be a very useful program. Clearly you've got other programs like the woolens, so I'll just show you that. That's on program 10, and as you see that starts on a much lower temperature, and what it does is the maximum temperature you can select for a woolen program is 40, because clearly you wouldn't want to go up to 60 or 90. And all this, so the spin speed is reduced, so the maximum spin speed on the woolens is 800. And then on the right hand side you've got the cold cycle, as they say, because what you're finding is that a lot of manufacturers of detergents are coming out with these products where you can wash at lower temperatures, and it is claimed that the washing performance is as good, but it's much more energy efficient and better for the environment if you're washing at lower temperatures. These are okay on the odd occasion, but I still recommend washing at slightly higher temperatures, and what it would also do is to help keep the machine clean. What you have got are the rinse and the spin options, so if I just move it around to there to show you, so that's the rinse and spin option, and what you'll find is that you can adjust the spin option on here, so you can still rinse and spin at 1400, or if you just wanted to spin and pump out, just turn it a little bit more, and then that's 10 minutes to do that. So if you've got a lot of wet washing and you just want to spin it, then you've got that option, which is fantastic. As we move further across on the right hand side, you have got these options. So this is the extra rinse. So if you have got somebody in the household that suffers from allergies, then what you can do is you can actually put an extra rinse onto the end of the program. And you've also got the key lock feature, and if you press and hold that, then that's basically a child lock. So that what happens is if I try and turn the dial, then it's telling me that the key lock is enabled, and that can be useful if you've got little hands that would like to go and turn dials or press buttons. And to disable that, just press the button and then you're ready to go. One of the final options on here is this, the cleaning action button, and what it's really saying is how dirty are your clothes. So if you've got, say, normal dirt on them, not quite sure what normal dirt is, but leave it as it is. Whereas if you press that, you've got the intensive option, and then you've got the delicate. So for a lot of people, they might wear something once and then just want to give it a freshen up, in which case the delicate option would be okay. What you might find, if you've got kids in the house with dirty football or rugby kits, then that are really muddy, then you want an intensive wash. So move it around to intensive, and as you can see here, I'll just show you that. So it started off from 1 hour 41 to 153, and intensive at 216, and that's selected on program 4 on the cottons. And the final button on here that keeps flashing at me is this one here. That's the start button. So because I've got the door shut and the program is pretty much set and ready to go, and it is a legal requirement now for washing machines to have a start button. So once you've got everything selected, then just press start and that will carry on with the program. The next thing to show you is the door, and as you can see, the handle is on the right hand side here. It is a nice easy grip door, so we do find these are popular with especially some of the elderly customers that suffer from things like arthritis. Then it is a popular machine mainly because it's easy to open the door and to get your hand behind. And what you will find as you open the door, it's a nice large porthole. So on this machine it is a 7 kilogram load, and what you will find is that you've got nice strong hinges. We've got metal hinges here, and even the door catch, you can see here, is metal, which on some of the machines around this price range you don't always get those little features. And on the inside you've got the paddles, and these paddles, what you can find is they are easy to replace, and if you do need to replace one, I have done a separate video to show you how to do that. So the next thing I'll show you is the soap drawer and inside, and what you'll find on most standard washing machines, the soap drawer just pulls out, and it pulls out in the middle. On these it's slightly different, you just pull out to the left hand side, and as with most washers you've got the pre-wash, main wash, conditioner in here, and a lot of this can be taken out to wash. Quite a few people, because we do get a lot of people asking how you remove this, and it is easy. So all I recommend to do is if you just pull that to start with, so give that a little pull and you'll see it just pulls out slightly, and then lift it at the back, and now we've released it, that comes out like that. So all of this can be washed, but I recommend really probably once a month or so, just pop this in a dishwasher, nice high temperature, just get it nice and clean. That part pulls out as well, so it is all plastic, you're not going to damage it at all. And then to put it back in, just locate it on the left hand side here first, push it along the side here, lift it at the back and just give it a little nudge, then you're ready to go. So one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that the times on the machine are, to start with, what you will find as the program progresses, then the time will actually adjust depending on the weight of the washing and how dirty it is. So what you can find is, even if it says 2.5 or 3 hours to start with, that can come down fairly quickly. So just really to show you this is the energy label as well. As you can see, the energy and the efficiency of this machine is actually very good for this price of machine. So it is an A++ energy rating, and it just shows you some of the energy figures at the bottom. I won't go through all of them, but it does show you that it's a 7 kilogram load, just over 8,500 litres per annum for an average family, and shows you some of the noise levels for the spinning and the washing on the right hand side there. Now we'll show you around the back of the machine. I know for the majority of people it's not really of interest, but if you are installing one of these then it can help a little bit. So first of all, you've got these transit bolts, and these are essential to take out. So when you first get the machine, you just need to undo these and make sure that the drum will move around nicely. If you don't, then it can permanently damage the machine. Clearly on the left hand side here you've got the waste hose, and what you also get is not attached at the moment, but you do get this, which is the new cold feed hose, because all of these machines are cold fill only, and that will just attach on to the top right hand side there. If you're thinking of buying one of these machines, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Hotpoint WMBF742 washing machine. Please give us a thumbs up on a YouTube video, click subscribe and leave any comments below. Thanks for watching.